This is going to be a rather quick video on the benefits of using a shaded pole motor connected to a dimmer switch, such as that one. So, without further ado, I'll switch it on. Note that you have to put the dimmer on maximum speed, or maximum light, as it's designed for an incandescent light bulb. Here we go, I've got full speed, and it's a little bit of wrapper off the desk, but oh well. So yeah, that's full speed. That is drawing 45 watts. This is a vintage fan with a shaded pole motor. It's a GE one. Well known, about from the 70s I suppose, because it's got a bit of plastic going on here. So yeah. Right, we can tone it down. Listen closely to the fan. But now I'll turn it down. Here you can hear there's a noise puttering away. That's because it's chopping up the sine wave. Here we're only using 32 watts, but we're not stable because it's stopping and starting the motor almost pretty quickly. Now we can drop this right down. You can see that the wattage falls as well. I don't know how well that's actually showing up. So you're at 20 watts now. Much quieter. And the beauty of this, there's no real humming to it. Like you can be quite close. It's no worse than at full, really. There's a slightly high-pitched whine, but still not that bad. But when you do set it too low, as you can see, we are using 13 watts, 14. It just sort of stalls. It doesn't produce enough power to keep itself going properly. Barely any airflow and noise. So you need to keep it above a certain wattage. You'll soon find out what this wattage is. I say mine is about 18 is the lowest you'll go on it, really. Which is reasonable speed. If this fan had speeds, then this would be speed 1, or below speed 1 actually. Speed 1 would be 20 watts. Wow, I said it exactly. Be about that. We've got a bit more airflow. Now, I would say for the most efficient setting would be about 25 watts, because it's almost like gone like 30-40% up in speed. Just a 5 watt increase. Now this is 25 watts. I'm going to increase it to full now. By doing that, I added 20 watts to the motor, and it didn't respond much, did it? Upwards of 25 watts. It just doesn't really do much. Now that banging and crashing noise, I'll show you what it is. So let's shut off the motor. There's always a T there, just in British. Right, now let's wait for this to stop. No, we won't give it a helping hand. We'll probably eat it off. Alright, so why not? So, because of the magnets in it, there's a lot of fluff on this motor actually. You can see when it goes in and out, it makes a noise. Now the magnetic field pulls this to one of the extremes, so obviously when it's on full it just stays there, but the dimmer, because it goes on and off and on and off, it goes like this really quickly, and that's what you hear. This is full. Yeah, because of, let's stop that. Because the fan is pushing air forwards, it's going to push the blade set backwards, which is pushing the motor shaft backwards. Because every action has an equal and opposite reaction. Newton's, what's it called, third law, I suppose, of motion. But when we have this, now it's on full. Let's bring it to here. We are about to 25 watts. 22, okay. Now listen to that. Hitting against the side. It's just like going in and out really quickly. vibrations. The oscillation adds a load to it, so it sort of steadies out the fan a little bit to the speed, because now it's got to swing it side to side, and also the gearbox does a bit as well. See that there's quite a lot of friction if I put this on quite tight. Feel it pulling down. It's actually strong enough to almost pull the base on. Anyway, yeah, so that concludes this. This does work on older motors. Now, for example, these three up here are shaded pole. The frost, hang on. Down there is shaded pole motor as well, because there's no capacitor. But newer fans, such as this one, the Expolair, has a capacitor in it and multi-speed. That one has a multi-speed as well, but it uses resistors in the base, which actually get really warm, so the base actually gets warm. So it uses the same power all the time, 45 watts. I can't remember what these are called, maybe they're inductive motors or something. But the other one's just a shaded pole motor, because they can be used with TRIAC based dimmer switches, like the one I've shown you. The cheap Chinese ones, I suppose. So yeah, that about concludes this video. Goodbye.